To add the MetaMask extension to your browser, start by opening your browser and navigating to the MetaMask website. Click on the Add to Browser button. Then select the browser you are using from the available options. If you are using Google Chrome, click on the Add to Chrome button. Then click Add Extension in the pop-up window that appears. If you are using Mozilla Firefox, click on the Add to Firefox button. Then click Add in the pop-up window that appears. Once the extension is installed, click on the MetaMask icon in the top right corner of your browser. Then click on the Create a Wallet button. Follow the prompts to create a new wallet, including setting a password and backing up your seed phrase. It is essential to keep your seed phrase safe and secure, as it can be used to access your wallet and all the funds it contains. Never share your seed phrase with anyone, and store it in a secure location, such as a safe or a locked cabinet. After creating your wallet, you can use MetaMask to interact with decentralized applications, send and receive cryptocurrency, and manage your digital assets. To do this, click on the MetaMask icon. Then select the account you want to use. You can also add multiple accounts to MetaMask and switch between them as needed. To add a new account, click on the Add Account button. Then follow the prompts to create a new wallet or import an existing one. To switch between accounts, click on the Account drop-down menu. Then select the account you want to use. By following these steps, you can easily add the MetaMask extension to your browser and start using it to manage your digital assets and interact with decentralized applications. Remember to always keep your seed phrase safe and secure, and never share it with anyone.